Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Talis erat Dido, talem se laeta ferebat, per medios instans operi regnisque futuris, tum forbus divae media testudine templi, saepta armis solicioque alter subnixa resedit. So great was Dido. She was carrying herself happy so greatly. Through their midst, pressing on for the work and for her future kingdoms. Then, at the doors of the goddess, in the midst of the temple, or in the middle vault of the temple, having been surrounded by arms, and having leaned upon a lofty throne, she sat down. So we just had the simile describing Dido as the goddess Diana, and here this ends that simile, saying, such was Dido. She was just like the great goddess Diana, and when she was carrying herself happy so greatly, pressing through their midst for the work and for her future kingdoms. So she's really the one overseeing all of this construction of Carthage. She's the boss, and she is in charge. She's overseeing the work and the building for her future kingdoms. So she's really just a wonderful overseer. She's in charge, she's responsible, and she's respected. Then in the doors of the goddess, remember Dido has just entered the temple, so she is gone through the doors, and she's in the middle vault of the temple. And vault is talking about the dome, the top part of the temple. So she's beneath the central dome, having been surrounded by weapons, because she has guards and armed men to protect her, because she is the queen, and having leaned upon a lofty throne. Of course she has a throne, she's the queen. She sat down. So this is all just leading up to Dido walking in with her train of attendants and the crowding people to look at her, and she just gracefully sits down just like the great goddess Diana.